We're gonna cook beef with green beans, and that's the green beans. We use about a pound green beans, that long, you know. Then we're gonna cook them, boil them, just boil them. So you boil the water and put the green beans in it, and just add a little bit of oil, just a little bit. You bring it up to boiling. Cook it about a few minutes. They usually get real tender in about a few minutes. The way how to check that is you go just punch it in and see they can go through. You know, like that. Just wanna go in like that. And this is still pretty tough, so you keep boiling them. See, the color will be changing too. Yeah, it's still pretty tough. Now we've been cooking like around 7 minutes right now. So you go check it, like you punch with a fork, you can see you can go in, you know, that, you know, like that. See, like that, you can go in and that's okay. Okay, then we're gonna drain that. Wash them. Okay. Then we're gonna cook the beef, and that's it's about 3/4 of the pound of beef. Then we use the choice beef, so we don't have to tenderize them. If you don't use the choice beef, you can use a lower grade beef, and you can look it up in a video how to tenderize beef. Okay, and now we have to cook. First we have to marinate the beef and put just a little bit of salt and little white pepper. A little bit of sesame seed oil. Then you put it into a bowl. And you put a whole egg in it. And kind of mix them up. Then after that, you're gonna put some cornstarch in it. Okay, and little oil. Kind of mix them up. All right. So we're gonna fry them up. So wait until it heat up. We don't wanna put it in the. If they don't heat up, they will stick to the bottom. Put oil into it. So we wait until it heat up. Or you kind of do it real slow, just let it fry up a little bit. So it's almost done. So you can see then start browning it up a little bit. So that's about done. See, and so you pick them up. Alright, then we're gonna put a little bit more oil in it. Then we're gonna cook with like maybe some gingers, chop up gingers, and jumbo onion and regular onion, purple onion. Let them fry a bit. We're gonna put half tablespoon of garlic into it. Then you put the sesame seed oil, couple tablespoon of cooking sherry. And we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. Teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and we put the beef in it. A teaspoon of black soy sauce. Okay. Okay, then that's done, and we're gonna soup them up, and we're gonna put some green onions in it. Okay. Okay, that's a beef with green bean.